What happened? Your brother's stupid?
Yeah.
Why?
Fucking ran away on the family.
The family?
Yeah.
You cried for them? You love your brother?
Fucking stupid motherfucker, for real.
What happened, bro?
You miss your brother?
No.
Yeah,
I know
you're
you
lying, fool. You're crying. You cool? You wanna go sleep now?
My brother's stupid.
Why is your brother stupid?
I fucking shoot that Jonathan motherfucker.
Oh,
And Mark Boaz.
yeah. Yeah, we sure.
Fucking blast our house with AK-47.
Yeah.
That's that fool. You borrow your uncle's AK-47.
Cause of that, my brother ran away.
And then?
Well, fuck those fools up, watch.
Yeah.
I swear, bro. I do swear.
I got your back, homie. Don't trip.
You know I got you, man. We're like Robin Big, Filipino version. Don't cry on me now. You cool?
Cool, homie.
You cool, man? Don't worry, boy. Your brother's coming back down here on your grandma's birthday.
Fucking kill those fools. Fucking swear.
You cool, man? Just relax. You cool, man? Your brother's coming back on your grandma's birthday. It's okay. You get to see him again. Don't cry now. What are you laughing at?
Fucking get those fools, watch.
Don't trip, man. You just need to relax right now and lay down and sleep or something.
Fucking kill him, I swear to God, dude.
Cool, man. You're gonna see your brother when he comes back on your grandma's birthday. This month. Know what I mean? It's all good.
Put down my life, fool. I fucking swear I'm gonna get those fools.
Yeah, we cool, man. Don't trip. We got them. Blame someone.
Oh, fucking kill them. Fucking swear to God.
Ah, be cool. They just relax, man. You know, your brother's not. You know, your brother's cool. He's coming back.
The crackhead's gonna fucking pay for it, dog.
Go cool, man. Relax, man. Relax. Relax. There's gonna be an evidence to Ryan. Yeah, Ryan, you hearing this, bro? Yeah, your brother loves you, man.
Fucking kill them, dude, I swear.
Your little brother miss you, man. You need to come down here. At least. You better come down there on your grandma's birthday. Faggot. I'm just kidding. See, bro misses you. That's why he's crying. Because he loves you. He just need to get some sleep right now, too. You cool?